This is a heck of a find. Well, here we are. We're gonna give this spot a little go. It's a little chilly this morning. I keep seeing my breath, but we're gonna have some fun with it. We have got something going on today. Oh, what is that? That's so nice. If you want your very own Big Grizzly magnet fishing merch, go on down to the link. Check out our social media, all that good stuff, and more importantly than all that, let's get the magnet in the water. This is going to be fun. This is why magnet fishing is taking off. This is one of our loyal followers. His name is Mr. Quacks. What's shaking, Mr. Quacks? What we got here, but it's something feels like it's on there. I'm hoping it's a VW because gas is expensive. I need to get me a little, like 3-4 cylinder, save some gas money. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got something here. What do we got here? Of course, the pudding de chocolat. No, we got some sort of bracket here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty neat. That's cool. Some more chocolate pudding on there. Delicious. Good little treat for you. What we got here? Got some sort of metal banding and some nail there. A lot of nails in this water, isn't it? Let's see, we got another nail. I think I may have found what I dropped at the end there. What? No way. That is an old school Pepsi can. You can look at that. That is cool. You can't even see the color. Well, you can see the blue, but all the other colors have gone away. That is awesome. Very cool. Alright guys, we got something on here. Kind of angle you down a little bit. Ooh. Well, I guess it's a little more than just something. What do we got here? We got some more nail. Ooh. Some sort of twisted metal. We got a nail. Another nail. I'm coming to realize that we are going to get a lot of nails out of this water today. What in the world is that? If anybody knows what that is, let me know. I'm not entirely sure what that is. That's interesting, though. As a matter of fact, there's a couple of them on there. Well, no. This is a used... Take a look. That is a used round for a shotgun. So we have the brass from the shotgun. We got a nice little fishing lure here. Some sort of string. Some more nails. A lot of nails. Ladies and gentlemen, don't adjust your screens. This is Big Grizzly Magnet Fishing, but we have a new addition to our team here. This is our new little mascot, Bear. Bear. This is the polar bear. And there's a good boy. There he is. Okay. It feels like I've got something decent size. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. What do we have here that looks oh so delicious? Okay. I never pretend like I am a professor of science, but I am pretty sure I have no idea what this thing is. If you know, you drop that comment, but that's cool. What the heck is that thing? Look, it's like a football tee. You see that? It's good. Heavy too. And then we have the sort of clamp. We'll have to wash that clamp up, and then we're getting a lot of magnetic rock, I'm noticing. And I'm not sure why. I don't know what it is about this area that has so much magnetic rock, but there it all is. And of course we have the infamous nails and scallywag. Alright, I don't know what I've got here, guys, but it is heavy, and it is, oh my god, I'm gonna have to reposition. Holy cow, what is this? That is a tow chain. That is exactly what that is. Check that out. We got us a tow chain. Look at that thing. Sweet. This is a heck of a find. This is a full-blown tow chain. And we're going to make sure that we get it back to our gracious hosts here. But very cool. Alright, guys. Wow. I'm not entirely sure what that is. However, whatever it is, it was down there and it was really wanting to get the attention of the 360. And that's probably why. Whatever it is, it came up in a chunk. Very cool. Let's see what kind of shenanigans we have here. That is a good sized chunk of galugalaga, because I have no idea what that is. If you know, let me know. Take a look at that. Very magnetic. See that? Cool. We have some sort of block. No clue. If you know, let me know. I don't know. A lot of nails, magnetic rock. A very fresh bolt. That's cool. Some washers, Circle Gang, Monterey Magnum Man. A lot of screws and bolts and nails in there. Okay. We've got some poundage here. Oh yeah, baby. Well, hello, Mr. Clamp. What in the world? We got us a C-clamp. And a good sized one at that. Look at that. That's for a little bit of boogie time. And we have a... I am not sure what this is. 'Oh my goodness. 360's being greedy today. Didn't want to let go. I don't know. If you know what that is, let me know. It looks like just one solid piece of some sort of metal. Okay, guys. This is cool. It is fall, so let's have some foliage. Why not? But we got another one of these. What are these? If you know what this is, please let me know. Because to me, it just looks like a big, solid hunk of metal. We also have a bolt with a nut on it that was cut. We appear to have a form of an Allen wrench, maybe? And then the nails and the clamps and everything, so good deal. Just pulling this one in, and we got something here. What's this? Look at that. We've got us an old set of pliers. And you can tell they're old. because you can't even close them. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Some more nails and magnetic rock, but that's a cool find. Very cool. Oh, great. Cranky. Boy, Cranky. It is the elusive Woozle Wazzle. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If you do, let me know. Alright, we got something on here. We're going to see what it is here. What do we got here? Alright, well that's something unique. We got a little bit of weight here. I want to see what it is here. It's kind of underneath the dock a little bit. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? What is this? You got a good sized nail here, but this is some sort of bracket? I don't know what that is. I can't really tell. If you guys got a better look and you think you know what it is, you know, shoot a comment and let me know, please. You got something here. There's the other half of the Pepsi can. Now we got the lid. There we go. It's another one of those things. Another one of those flat round pieces. What are these? Got something that kind of clinked on there. Ooh, shiny. What do we got here? What do we got? There we go. That is in good shape. We got us a nice wrench here. Cool. Oh, nope, get off there. Very cool. We're on our last throw. We've been out here for a while, and I'm getting hungry. And I know that my little bear's getting hungry, so I think it's time to hit that last throw and see what we come up with. Here we go. Yeah. Well, that would have been better if I hadn't stepped on the rope, but whatever. We'll see what we got. And last throw brings up a nail. Alright, I did a bonus throw because I was standing on the rope here. And we come up with, believe it or not, which tells me it's going to have to be a bonus because that's a, well, we all know what that is. That's a pocket knife. We just pulled up a pocket knife on the bonus. And the rule is, you catch something cool, you go one more. So we got one more. We're gonna have to clean this guy up.